Ever tried moving your designs from Figma to Elementor and felt like you were trying to solve a Rubik's Cube in the dark? Well, don't worry, in this video, I will show you the easiest free way to export your Figma designs to Elementor in just a few steps. After trying multiple tools for over a month now, these are my top 3 choices. And to save your time and mine, check out this table where I have compared all 3 tools using 6 parameters, and so far, UI Chemie definitely stands out. Now, before we set up UI Chemie and export our designs from Figma to WordPress, let's make sure that our website is not slow, because exporting designs with images, fonts can slow down even a new website, and we don't want to run into any errors during the export, right? To make sure that our site is fast, so I will go to this website. I'll put my website URL here, click continue, and then Elif does everything that your site needs for a 90+ score, like caching, image optimization, a good CDN, lazy loading, and everything else. That's why you don't need to use multiple plugins for performance anymore. Just Airlift is enough. The exciting part is that it also does a lot of extra stuff that no one else does. Like, all speed plugins will optimize your images, but Airlift will go even further by resizing them to fit all kinds of screens like mobile, tablets, etc. This is not the end. There are many other cool features as well, and that's why most people get a 90+ score in the first go. And in the rare occurrence that you don't, you just need to ping the support here and they will take care of it. Now, let's move on to the next step. Firstly, let's go to our Figma dashboard and select the project from here like this. Now click here and select the plugins tab. Search for UI Chemie and click on it, and you should see this window pop up. This asks for a serial key, which you can get for free by clicking here, and it will lead us to this page. Just select the free plan, fill in these details, and click on free download. And it will take you to this checkout page. You can see the key here. Just copy it, go back to Figma, and paste the key here. And then click this button to activate UI Chemie. You can use your designs or pre-built designs from Envato, but that won't give you a good result and can end up in a bad conversions that look like this. Or you can follow along with the suggested documentation on this page and create a design that can be converted without any errors. As you can see, they have multiple frames explaining things like formatting frames and using auto layout, but make sure to read this and understand the design guidelines. Okay, now you can click on templates here, and it gives you these options to design from scratch or by using a pre-built template. I'll use this template for the conversion because it has multiple images, a button here, some text. So exporting this design can be a good test to see if everything works properly after the export. Let's just select the frame like this. You can see a preview of the site here. You can click on tags and add different tags available here. This is very important as it allows the tool to understand what the elements are, like a button, images, videos, progress bars, and more. You can also click on show tagging here to make sure you are tagging everything correctly. As you can see, this is tagged as an image and this as a button. Once you are sure that you have tagged everything correctly, click on convert here and then this settings icon here. Just enable this option, which basically means that the images on your frame should be exported in the same scale. It would help you avoid any unexpected errors while converting the frame, and you can enable this option as well if you want to export without images, which reduces the overall size of the converted file and makes the process a little bit faster. Now click here to go back and then click on convert to Elementor. Next, now click here. For this, we need to install UI Chemie plugin on WordPress. So let's go here, download the plugin. Next, on the WordPress dashboard, hover over plugins, add new plugin, and click here to upload the downloaded zip file like this. Click install and activate it from here. Now go here and click on UI Chemie. You should see the site URL and the token here. So let's copy the URL first, go back to Figma and paste it here. Then come back, copy the token from here, and on the Figma, paste it here. Now click here and click open, and your website should be visible on Elementor here. Now, if you've imported your design over an old page, you should see an error like this. For example, this header shouldn't be present here. but we can fix this quickly. Just go here, click this, and then go to settings. Next, click on layout, scroll down, click on default page layout, and select Elementor canvas. Now, click update from here and refresh the page. Now most of the things look okay. However, we do have some inconsistencies, but these two can be fixed easily. Let's take this for an example. It's missing the image here, but like before, we can quickly fix it. Just click here and upload the image like this. Now click here. It's done. Go down here and hit update. Like this, you can fix most issues, but I'd recommend that you import your design into a clean new WordPress installation and a new page. Comment below if you have any doubts, and I will see you next time. In this 3-minute video, I'll show you a free plugin to triple your site speed. You're really gonna thank me for this, so click here and I'll see you there.